Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about DGMS circular released in the year 2014, which says about what are the precautions that has to be taken to prevent the accident due to dump failure. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel Suranga so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. The main subject of DGMS Circular number 3 of 2014 given by Mines Accident Analysis and Modernization of Information Database is what are all the causes for the accident due to dump failure and what are the precautions that can be taken to prevent such accidents. According to the circular, some of the causes for the accident due to dump failure are: first point, proper fencing is not provided around the dump, which causes entry of unauthorized person into the dump area. Second point is, the height of the dump is not maintained properly. In some cases, the overall height of the dump is about 64 meters. Whenever the dump is maintained in the form of lifts, sufficient width is not provided between the lifts. Third point is, effective drainage system is not provided inside and around the dumping area, which causes increase in groundwater pressure in dump. Fourth point is, the base of the dump is not stable because the overburden material is dumped on the topsoil. Fifth point is, the burning of shale and coal, which are dumped along with the overburden material, causes voids in the dump, which affects the stability of the dump. In order to prevent the accident due to dump failure, DGMS prescribed following precautions through this circular. The overall height of the dump should not exceed 30 meters. If you are planning to go more than this height, a scientific study has to be made in that area. And the width of the bench should not be less than the height of the bench. The dumping area should be properly fenced and no unauthorized person should be allowed to enter the dumping area. Proper drainage system is to be provided both inside and outside the dump in order to reduce the groundwater pressure on the dump. Regarding the design of the slope of the dump, it should be in accordance with the guidelines given by DGMS on the circular number 2 of 2001. In case of any road near the dump, the distance between the toe of the dump and the road should not be less than twice the overall height of the dump. Precaution has to be taken to prevent spontaneous heating or burning of shale and coal material which are dumped along with overburden rock. Hope this video was very useful to you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.